Alright, we're going to install a swivel onto a cord. If you have an old cord that has the crimp installed on it, go ahead and cut that off. You want to take a lighter and melt the end of the cord so it doesn't fray. Get your little nub going. Go ahead, take your swivel, put it on the cord. Take a new crimp cap. Go ahead and put that on. Important. You want to make sure you use crimp pliers, electrical crimp pliers for non-insulated terminals, and they'll have like the little V in there. Put your cap in there, bite down. Boom, you got your new swivel. Make sure your end is sealed and hard. You don't want that fraying on you. If that comes off, it'll start fraying. So, you want your wire crimping pliers for non-insulated terminals, a good pair of sharp scissors, a lighter, a crimp cap, and a swivel. Any questions, please message me. Thanks.